Sino po ang mga miyembro ng small committee at paano sila pinili?
As of now, it's an ongoing discussion. It will not be small.
The
It's actually
subcommittee on budget amendments.
Yes. So we are looking into representatives nominated by each of the political parties, plus the party list coalition, plus members of the minority. So we are looking at least 10 members. So discussions are still ongoing, so I'm unable to say definitively how many the members are and who the members are.
So sinabi niyo po, political parties, majority, minority.
That is correct.
Bakit wala pong representative ang independents? Hindi pa po kami dapat tumingin din sa budget?
That could be considered. Thank you very much for pointing that out, Representative Shanko.
So is it a affirmative that the independents will be represented?
Madam Chair, point of order, Madam Chair. Kasi kanina I was asking kung ano ito, kung hearing ito o briefing. Ang sagot sa akin, briefing. Sa naririnig ko parang hearing. Because we are now discussing, things that are properly discussed in the committee itself. So, with apologies to my friend Congressman Chanco, baka maybe that can be discussed in a formal APRO meeting kasi we have our resource persons here that probably are wondering why they are listening to all of this. And so that also the briefing can proceed, Your Honor.
Yes, to my friend, of course, the respected Honorable Puno. But on Wednesday, we will ask them how they spent their funds. So I think we also should know whether they were deducted funds or added funds before we ask them how they. Di ba po parang kahit bata, pag humingi ng allowance, bago humingi ng bagong allowance, titignan muna kung paano ginastos, di ba? So, and I'm winding up. Puno, Congressman Puno.
No, I am not unhappy with the questions. In fact, some of them are my own questions also. I was just observing that the ruling was that this is a briefing. So I myself have been forced to revise some of the questions I was going to ask. But thank you for your lead on this.